Hi guys, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and I want to do something that I could grow some cold weather vegetables for maybe up to November, even December. It all depends on the weather. So I have circle gardening here, which is great. So what I could do is I could build a PVC hoop around it, and I could cover it. And I could also use that to keep the bugs away because I want to grow some kale and other stuff. And the bugs are still out, believe it or not. But I don't want to keep it a low hoop house. For the winter, you want low to the ground because you want that heat to stay in. I want to be able to adjust it so in the spring I could have it taller. See how tall the peppers are, even with pruning. So I want it adjustable. So let me show you how I'm going to build mine. The first step is to measure some 3/4 inch PVC, 7 inches for the ground and 3 inches above. Now I cut 4 equal pieces. Now I hammer in 4 of the posts, leaving 3 inches above the ground. This will help make a taller and more straight side for plants to grow. Now I'm taking a 10-foot, 1/2 inch PVC that will slide into the post that we cut, and I'm just figuring how tall I want this to be. So I want it relatively close to the ground, but still leave enough room for kale, which gets 2.5, 3 foot tall. I cut 2 pieces. Now I slide in the 2 hoops into place, and then all I have to do is zip tie them together. Now it's ready for a bug net or plastic to protect the plants after I plant them. All right, it's finished. So what I did is, since I want it adjustable, I used 3/4 inch PVC that went into the ground. I think it was 10 inches at 10 or 11. And that way, this is adjustable. So if my plants are getting taller, I could take this out and replace it with the taller one. My only thing, if I was growing tall plants all the way around, I'm planning on putting radishes, which are really low to the ground, because you know, I left 3 inches coming up. That should cover that. Otherwise, it would be tilted in like this, and you waste that space. Now, if I'm doing peppers in the spring, I'm gonna have this stick out at least a foot and then do this dome. And that gives you more usable space for tall plants. But this was really simple. The only thing I need to do is do a zip tie here. 1/2 inch will split even if you pre-drill to screw it in. So a zip tie, I mean, they're amazing now. And so I'll just put one. And remember, when you use PVC, make sure it's for water, because you don't want any chemicals to leach out. But this is a quick DIY little hoop for cold weather vegetables. So you know what that means. Next video, we're going to be planting some cold weather vegetables. I'll see you then. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please share my channel and hit thumbs up. YouTube counts that for some reason. So thumbs up, as Stefan says.